Happy Wednesday, traders. Are we going to see a Santa Claus rally? Because the last 2 days we're seeing big sell-off. However, I think the S&P 500 is sitting in a very significant support level. So if it stay above, I will still be a buyer. Also, that's an interesting move on euro dollar today, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, going to start off with the S&P 500. You can see we are now, let me just get the trend line a bit better. We're now sitting at a support level. Also coincide with the 50 EMA daily and the monthly pivot. You can see around this area. So the 3,900 has been significant anyway. So are we going to see a bounce? I think we could. I will explain to you why anyway. Dropping down to the hourly, we are potentially forming a double bottom. So very similar price action like here. So I needed to see it breaks above here first. So could be a breakout, could be a retest a bit later. We shall see when it's open. I'll check the volume. The other things that I like about it is there is multiple other instrument, other asset is sitting at support level, such as the Nasdaq. Look, we are back to this 11,500. So which I said last week, on the weekend, I'll close off QQQS, which I did yesterday. I'll explain to you guys how to manage a unsuccessful trade break even. So I didn't lose any money on QQQS. Whew. So even though on an unsuccessful trade, my first reaction is, if I don't lose any money, it's a great result. So now we're sitting in this monthly pivot, 11,500 area. We could see a pop. And then I don't know, will this break or are we going to drop lower? We shall see. So shorter term window, I would not recommend you guys to take a daily bar. Again, dropping down to hourly, you can see I already have a level. If you're above this 11,580, the monthly pivot area, then yes, you could consider to go long, but I would prefer the S&P 500. So use both of them to your advantage. Another thing that I don't like, actually I do like, is euro dollar. I have my marked level. Yesterday I had an alert that is price is dropping lower. Look at this, straight away come back up, stay sitting above the daily pivot again. So I want to see price continue staying above this this area here. So above the 105 around this, let me just see, 104 something. I have it 10488. So around the 105 area, I need to stay above. Then it should be benefiting indices to go higher. If you're not familiar with market correlation, you should go and look into the chart, the previous history, the last couple of months. All we've been seeing is indices up, dollar down. So that's why I use it to my advantage. This will be my main plan for the week. I don't have anything else that I like to trade apart from the indices. So I will focus on the indices. So this is pretty much it, my plan. If you do have any other plan or anything that you want us to cover, send us a message. We'll do our very best to help you. Otherwise, see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.